Hey guys, it's Tony. Welcome back to the shop. So I was actually sent an old pastry cutter by a good friend from college from New York. She actually found this in her basement, and it belonged to her grandmother or great-grandmother, but she just found it while she was cleaning a few weeks ago and thought it needed a new handle. So we're gonna take a look at it and see what we can do. Hopefully we'll come up with something pretty cool. All right, let's get to it. I have a friend that makes cutting boards, and he recently gifted me a few of his offcuts. So I think we're going to use this part of this one to make a really cool handle for this pastry cutter. In the comments below, let me know some of your ideas for what to do with a couple of these other offcuts. Maybe I'll use one of those for a future project. And keep the shape super simple so this awesome offcut can be the focal point of that dough cutter. Anyway, let's get to it. I really love this restoration, and I think it blends old and new really well. Anyways, hope my friend loves it and passes it down to her grandchildren, great-grandchildren down the road a bit. Anyways, hope you like it. Feel free to hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see more like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.